with humility, gratitude to Almighty God, and a profound sense of duty to formally declare my intention to contest for the office of the Governor of Oyo State in the 2027 general elections under the banner of our great party, the All Progressive Congress. APC. First and foremost, I give all glory to Almighty God, whose grace has sustained us, whose mercy has preserved us, and whose divine purpose has brought us to this significant moment. I sincerely appreciate our national leader and president, His Excellency Dr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his visionary leadership and commitment to progressive governance in Nigeria. To the leadership of our great party, APC at the national, zonal, state, local government and work levels. I thank you for your steadfastness, loyalty, sacrifices and commitment to our shared progressive ideals. To our elders, stakeholders, party faithful, coordinators, volunteers, and traditional rulers, religious leaders, party leaders, members of the APC, our political associates, our youth, our women, our professionals, artisans, students, marketmen, and members of the media, my friends, my supporters, and the entire good people of Oyo State. Today is not just another political gathering. Today is a defining moment. Today is a day of renewed hope. Today is a day of purpose. Today is a day when we gather, not merely to make a declaration, but to begin a movement. A movement to restore, a movement to rebuild, to reposition, and to reclaim Oyo State for genuine progress, prosperity, and people-centered governance.
Àsìkò lẹ́tọ̀ Adébáyọ̀.
President, for second time, Bola Aṣíwájú, Ọ̀yọ́ máa ń gbé ìṣàṣà. Ọ̀yọ́ máa ń gbé, Ọ̀yọ́ máa ń gbé, Bọ́lá. Oya, torí ṣẹ́fẹ́ kó padà wá o.
Commitment to ensure the legislative. My elders, stakeholders, faithful, communicators, volunteers, and supporters across all zones of the state. Thank you. Allah, Ibadan, and the government. I thank you people for standing still through the years. In 2019, you believe in me. You stood by me. You stood with me. You stood guarantee. Therefore, this was tonight. So I'm unusual alliance. It's a good guarantee. Your faith never ready. That election was not a defeat of vision. It was a delay in destiny. I give all glory to Almighty God, whose grace has sustained us, whose mercy has preserved us, and whose brought us to this significant moment. I sincerely appreciate our national leader and president, His Excellency, the commitment to progressive governance in Nigeria. For the leadership of our great party, APC at the national, zonal, state, stakeholders, faithful coordinators, volunteers, and supporters across all zones of the health state. Thank you. Àwọn Ìbàdàn, Ìbàdàn, and Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. I thank you people for standing still through the years. In 2019, you believe in me, you stood by me, you stood with me, you stood guarantee. Therefore, your faith never wavered. That election was not a defeat of vision. It was a delay in destiny.
Àkótó tàbí mẹ́yìn sí ìwòlá àbúrò. Ìyẹn lọ máa kára wá ní àwùjọ ìṣòwò ẹ̀yẹ. Nínú ẹ̀rọ ayọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ àpọ̀ nílé. Ìyẹ́kẹ̀rẹ̀ wẹ̀. Wàlàwàlà ló kì í lọ́lẹ̀. Ọkọ̀ yẹn yé so. Onímọ̀ ìyàwó lórí bọ́. My governor, you too. My governor. Of 2027, Oyo State, Lágbára ló ń jí wá. Oyo State Governor 2027. Tó bá jẹ́ tòṣèlú, tó bá jẹ́ tòṣèlú ní Oyo State. Adélakú lọ ká gbogbo. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ká bí yó. Lẹ́yìn tó ká pé lórí ìfọ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ ló ń wọ òkè. Ẹkùn àgbo.
Ìbàdàn ní mòde o, kẹwàá dẹ́kun rẹ̀ wá mi nílé, Adélakú mo tẹ̀lé o. Ìbàdàn ní mòde o, Ìbàdàn ní mòde o, Bẹ́túndé kò lé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá mi nílé, Gbẹ̀gẹ́lẹ́ mẹ́tì mo tẹ̀lé o. Láti bóde sàlẹ́ǹtì, Àgbàgbúrú Màrájì, àwọn ilé pẹ̀lú Bùgátì, àǹkálá lórí.
ohun yẹn ò kí tó kò sí gbogbo báyọ̀ wọ̀. abc yóò sí ìmọ̀pẹ́ máa tẹ̀ka sí báyọ̀ bá wọlé ó máa gba tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì kan ti gbà ó ti wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó gbé wọn lọ sí ìdílé tẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ báyọ̀ ọmọ adé la fún pẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́sì tí ìsìnkà kò yí á gbé wọn dé ìlérí ayọ̀ ẹ bá ti ń pè ẹ̀dá mi lọ abc ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká fi àyè sílẹ̀ fún kí ni lẹ́dà.
Iṣu ọ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀dí, ewúra tó gẹ̀ẹ́gẹ́, iṣu tó bàbá ẹ̀, ẹni tó lù wá lọ kí, ẹni tó sọ wá yàrá. Ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí tó ṣe àrùn kí ẹnu rẹ̀ àyà. Ẹnu rẹ̀ àyà lẹ́yìn àwọn ẹni tó pẹ̀lú nínú. Ṣé ẹyin ti báyọ̀ ọwọ́ nígbà? Ẹyẹ àwọn ẹyin tàdé làbúrò ọwọ́ nígbà.
Thank you, Eko. Let's go.
Sọ̀pẹ̀ jámọ́ rí bàbá tó sáwó gbogbo ọ̀dọ́sọ̀pẹ̀ mi yan ká tó sáwó ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́la o gbogbo ọ̀dọ́sọ̀pẹ̀ jámọ́ rí bà. Èyí tá a ṣe lónìí Olódùmarè àṣeyọrí ni yóò di o àṣeyọrí ni yóò di 2027 tí a ní ọ̀jẹ́ torí fani ẹ̀mí sàdíbà gbọ́dọ̀ tí a ní òní kẹsì ẹ̀ ti ẹ̀jà rí ọ̀rẹ́ nígbà tó bá ṣe rí ọba.